Hey guys, it's Miss Hodges here, soon to be Mrs. Malo. So, if you hear that name, it's me. I wanted to record a video real quick showing you guys how to sign up for media lessons and to clarify some things. If you have not signed up for an orientation lesson on how the kids are supposed to check out now and browse for books and everything, then please do that. I can't teach any other lessons until they know how to do that. So if you'll make sure to sign up. So I'm going to show you how to sign up. If you should have gotten my email and added the calendar to your Outlook calendar. If you have not done that, then you'll have to go to the email that I sent and click on the link. Some of you are having a little tricky trouble because you're opening it in the web app. So if you go to your Office 365 and you open Outlook, then you will only, your calendar and my calendar might merge, and then it will look like you're signing up and you're signing up on your own calendar. So that's here in Outlook. To get the desktop version to make it easier for you to sign up for lessons, you're going to want to either click open in desktop app, which I think is an option somewhere up here, or a better way to do it is to, let me close out of that, is to go down here and type Outlook and then open your desktop app here. And then once you open that, I've pinned mine down here because I just like to open my email through that. So you're going to go to your calendars and you're going to see both of the calendars separate. If you only see your calendar, you'll have to go down here and make sure you check the Nicholson Media Center calendar. And then to add yourself to the calendar, I'm going to use today because we're obviously not there. So you just double click on whatever time you're looking at. If it's not exactly the time, say you wanted 10:20, then you just change that to 10:20 to 10:50, let's say. And then you add your name so I know whose it is. Don't add my name, but add your name, and then just say, orientation. When we start getting into lessons, I would like you to put kind of what topic you'd like me to teach in there, and then save, and it'll show up on my calendar. If you add it to your calendar, I won't be able to see that. So make sure you add it to the green, or mine's green, yours might be a different color, to the Nicholson Media Center calendar. To change it, you just double click, and you can edit your times or whatever. So I'm going to delete it because I don't need it on there. I will say that I do need, especially once we get into curriculum, I will need time to prepare my supplies and everything. So I would like you to sign up a week in advance if possible. I can't, if you sign up for the next day, there may be a chance I'm not ready. Also, if you can sign up with a little bit of time in between, that would be great, just because I like to have a lot of materials for the kids, and I have to make sure that I have time to clean the media center and get the supplies ready for the kids. So that is hopefully enough, and you understand how to sign up. 3rd through 5th, I will be making, you will see that I've sent out already, which I probably should have waited, the Star Books delivery. So they'll be able to select like menu choices, and if they want specific books, they can write those in, and Mrs. Huey and I will be delivering them to the classroom. K through 2, I'm going to try and have like a weekly sign up on Mondays for you guys, and it'll just be like a 15-minute, you guys come in and check out, and then lessons will be separate. So lessons and checkouts are going to have to be separate because of the whole return your books on Friday and quarantine the books and everything. So 3rd through 5th, we're going to try and do mostly holds online and the Star Books delivery for your checkouts. And then K through 2, I will have a weekly Monday checkout time for you. I will be out this Monday, so we'll have to probably start that the next week. But if you want to send me a time that works well for you, K through 2 and special ed on Mondays, then just send me a time and I can work on getting you a regular 15-minute block of time. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, definitely let me know.